Hello, and we are going to explain the extreme value theorem. I'm Christian Dorada from grade 11 Lebanese. So extreme value theorem is said to be if a function f of x is continuous on a closed interval a and b, then f of x has both maximum and minimum value on a and b. And if we said continuous, it has no gap, a hole, and a jump. And if we said that it is closed bounded, it has specific endpoints in the graph. So based on the graph, is it at its maximum value? So yes, because it is a continuous graph. So based on its graph, is it in the maximum value? So no, because it is a discontinuous graph. So based on the graph, is it at its maximum value? Yes, because it is a continuous graph. And let us now explain the process of extrema through an example. So firstly, we need to find the first derivative of the given fx is equal to fx squared plus 3x plus 2. So then we need to find a critical number by applying f prime of x is equal to 0. And we found out that the value of x is negative 3/2. So we need to find the y value by substituting the x value of negative 3/2 and interval of x is equal to 1 and 2 to the given function. So from the solution earlier, we found out that the maximum value is 12 that occurs at x is equal to 2, while the minimum value is negative 1/4 occurs at x is equal to negative 3/2. So now we are going to create a box using a rectangular board with a width of 26 centimeters and a length of 38 centimeters. Make sure that the box that we are going to make is at its maximum value. So I have the rectangular board here. And firstly, we need to find the equation to maximize. Then reduce this equation to one variable and simplify. So firstly, we need to find the critical values by setting derivatives to 0. And we should use a quadratic formula if we cannot factor the equation. And we found that x positive value is 16.27 and x negative value is 5.06. So here we can see that the x value of 5.06 gives a larger value. So the height that we required to make a box with a dimension of 38 centimeters and 36 centimeters is 5.06. So therefore, the maximum volume of the box that we should make is 2240.24 with a height of 5.06 centimeters. We also found out that the length is 27.88 with the width of 10.88 and the height of 5.06, and also gives the volume of 2240.24 cubic centimeters. So here are some pictures of the box that we created. And that's all for today, guys. See you next time, and thank you so much.